Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2019 Ford Transit equipped with the BraunAbility rear entry power lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. We will first open up the doors. You can then use this hand pendant here. Let's go ahead and make our way inside. So this lift here is going to be 34 inches wide. It's also going to have a 1,000-pound capacity. As we make our way inside, this one is going to have the ability tracks flooring, meaning those chairs in the front you can put in any position you would like, and you will also get 2 sets of retractable straps. And this van here only has 61,000 miles. And make our way back down. You can then put it there and then close the door. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair lift. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this one is going to have 61,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera with the reverse beep. This one is going to have the vinyl seats. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.